Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Kennedy Japan there a lot of information on Wobinim Abetudja. Na Mashem Obose video no close to 3 hours. What can say me Mashem Obose what I would do and they say yebe fan 111. So far and some ya family the first one being video and a pictures are Kennedy Japan ebe show ye of a ma womo Kennedy Japan case will be him any omo ada me susu say that one nanka emba ne picture no Kennedy Japan be to me e dey ato nchen kakra because ebema emba no ya stigmatize womo reputation and I said womo awawe bi kra no ebema said ensem abebe me nti nanka eni kwan say Kennedy Japan ebe show emba ne pictures Ghana fo bi mo womo support Kennedy Japan abreme some response on that ebi mo ba baby didi atem but nyansafo na wo mo no wo dey a very nice response our response no mebo because it's ready to be noted into mebo ebi mo there wo mo explain here say the entire Kennedy Japan will show mba ne pictures ni any which I think say ebi mo explanation na wo mo emaye no adwen ananyansa ewom se na mekan no ebi mo so sebe nyansa eni muniti edi atendidie penom de bae sankrofo ne de ye mfi omo. Now if we keep on going this way then you are making yourself not to learn anything. Why you say will be eka and will be question Kennedy Japan pe dia wo de ba ne atendidie dia na tese wo mpo no seven previous adwen bia nda otrim. Now that was the first thing I talked about. That was the first story. I made the buy. Yeah, they are no cartoon chain. But also at the second story, I Kennedy Japan. Ebma a recorded tape. I will prove it. Say, Obinim, any junior pastor Sofu Savior Yere. Now we're no. Aha. So I tape no so me buy ebe boy. And I make say yes. Uti tape now. Obehun is in the crack. Obinim any wabano. Wamo e will be and now they've done something in the past. Now. In some way near Airbano, there's just one question running through my head. And then I want to ask that question. And I want answers from you before I move on to the next thing Yebe tackle. I think that the next thing we'll tackle, no, Kennedy Japan talked about Obinim doing some rituals, or show pictures of Obinim being initiated in some occultism group, yeah, they are no one same near Beba. But what I want to ask today, and I say, so Obinim, where is his powers? Obinim say, where is his powers? Saying, some over kaya. Obinim nankasa, and a some 4 or 5 years ago, and now 3 years or 4 years ago. Obeka and there were no dear. Utumi dane, utumi dane wawa, utumi dane aponchi. Just say utumi dane dia, utumi dane bibia. The church members see. Otumi ko mo dayem na wakomo omuska wo mo be sori no mo nyaska trese wild things are na wo binim eka ana nkrofo e dey friend angel say wo wotumi no nti wo binim etena ho e na hwede Kennedy Japan e di nenim e twitwitwi fom nenim ene ne yere o dey twitwi fom a tumi a wo binim wo no wo ntumi fanya hwe. This shows say sansem na ya wo mo kani na no sebe eyentro Obi baby has a danger and a intro. In the previous tape, I'm a butcher, as I tape him now will be him and it was Sofu Savior Yere Air Casano. Obinim made a statement. Now, the person when you are back, Namukotie statement I will make you was say, so was Sofu be or catch a savior near no. Say was Sofu be a catcher say was son that ye be a found we who be a found now I can't. Me Obinim catch us as of on the same say boa. Was so for be anyone who sang Yamano, Yankupon, won't wasting the time and ye Yamasa and tre or so for bia. A summer will be him kind no. So was so for being a vision. If I will be home, send the Pacuni way up or down, one way up or down, was say a yantro, Yankupon, and this time I will be wasty, a year's vision a mobi. Mostly so far, Mokasa Adian in Nano, and you say woman named Crofono. Adwen akọ dayemu wo koda ne wo adwen nipa ne ho e na waso da ya fa nipa ne ho a wo ba beka sa Nyankopon ne yi atre no So right then, even Kennedy Japan, workers and right then, as I kind say, even Obinim is saying that on so far almost woman who fishing is anyamani no and yan the crack. That's what Kennedy Japan even said. And black Kennedy Japan crano were exposing Obinim no. One also besides our question no, and I can say, me Kennedy Japan, we are thinking in the same line. Was it inti Muana Obinim Emma Mujidi? Say wo to me, wo ye angel. Wo to me, wo ye nyama wo konkrofo da yemu no. Abden na ende, ma ba bonti me expose you Obinim ma. Wo to me mba me da yem embe stop me. Kennedy Japan asked that question, and I can say, hey, a very intelligent question. Very, very intelligent question. Now, media the maka and say, sa coronavirus in brain, and the air course of our Ghana Siciano. Say ye free mu we are a Christopher be brain ni better. Sa imrewe ya ye womu. Coronavirus e course Kennedy Japan so den same about Obinim eba bubo tape ni nyama no. Se coronavirus ni twemu a nkrofo ni beda ho se ba Christo sumu a se nia na pastors etumi kan de etre wo bi ema se be nipa no adwendwen ebeda ne so ana wo kan sem etre wo ba bi ma wo ba ne ejai trese ne boy no enye easy mekai wo bi ni masem ya Abrantie bi frame me hear report on Obinim bre Abrantie bi frame e no ka tem say melodies sa wo Obinim no Kennedy Japan exposing na member the kebi mano and I can say oh me enye say me kebi amano but enyama bia me susu say Kennedy Japan enka ne ye no eno e na me meka ho asem o se da bi se wo Obinim de bia ye wana ka be support Kennedy Japan e na bibi san say eye den e no say hey no wo girl a wo dono why na adwin say wo be ware girl no e na girl no ekọ Obinim asori e wotema e na Obinim frɛ girl ne ba anim e na Obinim ka tre girl ne say o wo boy ana girl ne say me wo boy enfi Obinim enum a girl ni njai ne boy no na girl no wo ba benya wo broni bia ware no boy a ono boy na ye na adwin say wo do girl na ye na adwin say wo be ware no asɛm a Obinim ekatre no inti boy ne de was you no free that time girl ni jai no girl ne ka wan sansan menya obroni bia ware no inti since that time no what time Obinim because Obinim ma ne jai ne mba sorry Obinim na ama ne girl ne jai no and Kennedy Japan even said that say wonu wosu emamba nkrofo bi mu ho a they will be in they support him, they believe him. So all the powers of being claimed say wo ye angel no. And then an angel waiting na ho. Ama nipa ede ne nima ye form sa angel no one ye. This has proven to me. Says our powers na no be ni mo ka say wo ni na no wo ni hute. And I'll put it bluntly. If I come out Kennedy Japan car send be FO Obinim ho na me hu ne say enye ne kra I come out and put it bluntly say me so me hu ne say Kennedy Japan aka send be asem na enye nyansa asem a equally me ba bonti na ma be kind of bluntly for me all this thing going on Kennedy Japan dragging Obinim and the wife here and there no it has shown me one thing wo ba bonti bi no ni no be ka sa nyamnyama ne tumi no ye angela wan hwe ya wo one share the other bayan no benu. And up till now you get people who go to church or who church at Obinim's church who believes and cre Obinim onye nipa wo ya angel. That is why people still call him Angel Obinim. Meaning say they make an atom asumu dia. From me what I am getting is that say Obinim kra wo onye angel. Say the powers are wasi wo kra na say Charlie hwi ni kutre yem because I am na me what powers na will be a chant from me susu because that's what Obinim made us understand earlier on say someone na Kennedy Japan e kan ye ntro na me what powers na will be a chant tro ato me so say na wo gu manimu asia Nothing na holding say me hwe no. Me use me powers na they are stopping the pakro no. Inti ane de we have seen amama kai me story bi oba bi nso sa a wono nso wo boy boy no wa plan say wo be ware no na oba no say na wosofo bi edi nkan atre ne say obe ware osofo nti say osofo ne ka sa atre na afi oba ne hu say dabi there is no way and the boy no ebe da ne sofo nti no oba no ohun ne say o dabi. Meanwhile, now oba ne boy ne so wosofo bi aka che oba ne boy ne say wono so daachi obeba beda ne sofo but boy no na won pe idea ne nti wan kan che oba no nti oba ne de ni trim no oh me boy we de untumi beda ne sofo da and nti right then and then oba ne jai boy no because osofo aka che no say oba ne be ware sofo and na wonu ni trim no there's no way and the boy ebetumi aba beda ne sofo nti no we jai no. Say me catch now the relationship. I think it was last year. Yes, last year I brought you that story of some lady be fine lady. Onya doctor guy. Obe ware no. Onya doctor guy obe ware no. Womo date for 4 years so. Guy ni nya ne yakayaka die biada. Womo be ware 2 weeks more to womo marriage. And a lady no you be our pen pie but until Friday night. And I say, Nadam Nick cousin, it was actually Nick cousin oba. And a Nick cousin oba so me was sorry be. Na yanko bompa wo be wari de e wo say yakọ bompa na etwitwa anya memu wo kranka wo be kọ e na wo ba ne kọ ye. Wo ba ne kọ ya wo bo bompa ya na wo sofo ne ka tren say me hu say in 2 weeks time wo be wari oba ne ka say yentin free sofo na no asofo no ka tre wo ba ne say sa branch na wo be wari no. O ware ne wi a wo be ye yakayaka de ubenu hu se wa ware no nti men ware no 2 weeks more to marriage no o mo akoya counseling ni bibia families o mo ko hu o mo hu awie no oba ne sanse wo ye Kristo ni a wo gi prophecy di ni nti wo ba ne so etonitrim e ma wo ba no e cancel wa ware no e ma wo ba no ni maame ni papa e kantam se wo ba no wo mo ne no enkasa biom because we gu o mo ni mu ase. Will be 2 weeks to marriage, then all of a sudden, what about say, won't worry, what's it be that? Into a banner can tam, the parents can tam, so we move few or banny bium. Into a banner still, she was going to church with this pastor because we are called another pastor named one, a catcher and a pastor, and a catcher, they say, Yanko Pompa, so oba, man, sorry, and oba. And you see, because the pastor saw something small about Obano, Wakama, Obana, JD, Emma, what the other things are any aka ho ama still oba na jebi into oba ne wo ho abeha ne se pastor na ba ka tre ne se Nyankopon se me na wo se me ware o oba ne so woji prophecy di woji ne sofu di e no pene ye wo ware no wo ware pastor ni na no still oba ne family no omunshira eni so na wone pastor no awo 1-2 omo awo mba 2 one day pastor na re no pastor na ria tese ne yere into omo ria ma pastor ne fili na pastor ne ka say hey wo de wo your ba pan wa woni me mema wa wie nti no o cancer nda atre no o so wo de wo your ba pan enko fi pastor ne numu a hey na nka me yusu ma adwen anji wo free doctor ne nsemu a na nka ma hwe ade o na fi oba ne dampem say yeah iti mi trimu no a mi bi susu say Nyankopon wo wadada me say Nyankopon na ahyehye me ne wa wawe no se eye wo wa adwen e na wo de adada me e ma me doctor papa bia na nka mi nya ware no me jana mama baba bedi wechi afi wo ba no ni hu a wo kokoto ne mama ne papa ni me pacho. You see ye kan nyama ensofo eye e wo man we mu amonti ase. Me, I keep saying, say, I see pastors as normal human beings. But Ghana has said, Ebimu they raise the standard for so for. Hey, say, Oben or so for Mammy Bia. Oben will be our yours of mamia, and I said the right thing, asafo mame, but Ghana, you can also for mammy, just a pastor near. Oben will be sir. Not walk can't in some what trewa. Oben who say, hey, o sofo na who ne say wo ye bofo no, o sofo ne gramasa won po o ye better say no. Eye nyankopon wadom bi keke. If oben asafo mame bi, and I will be our ben software. Obeka sansem na atrem. So me I'm telling you people, and yet the software be keep bia in a way and abeja to move. In Kennedy Japan, at least, if some of us don't like some of the things he's doing, like showing the faces of the ladies, at least for this inquiry we can say for a fact. So we prove it. Say obeying in powers and now our cancer war angel or cancer war yeno. He is not. He is not. Montreal Maju comment box material for me, that's it.